Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. It's 8 in the morning, and me and Alistair decided that we are going to go to the gym today. But before we head there, I went to the market. Technically, I found my favorite drink as a kid. I used to always love this. It's called flavored milk. It's by Goa Dairy, and there are very few shops in Goa that distribute these. The thing is that Goa Dairy trucks come only at around 4 or 5 in the morning, and it's very hard to get this because the other stores also keep taking it. But I don't know which other stores have it. I know one is in Don Bosco and one is right next to my house. So I actually told uncle, please keep a couple of them. Yesterday night when me and Alice were coming back, I just questioned him. I'm like, bro, do you remember about flavored milk? You know, like it's been a while since we had it, and I was kind of craving for it. He's like, bro, it's been like so many years. I never knew where you get it and this and that. So I picked up 2 for him. I picked up 5 for myself, for my family as well. And now I'm at his place. I'm going to wake him up. Hopefully he's not sleeping. And we're going to head to the gym today. So, did you close the door? It's open?
You want to do something?
Your parcel.
What is it?
Not super.
Yeah. Oh shit, wait, bro. Thanks, man.
Yeah, put it down. Today is not sponsored. So hey guys, currently we are at the gym and we are hitting back and biceps today. And, this year renewing a membership because mine kind of expired last year and today is my first day. Let's do this. We're done with the registration. Today was my first day in the gym after a 4-month long gap due to the season. So today we hit the gym early because later on we're heading to South Goa, and then later we have a cricket game in the night, and plus we have something special coming up for you. So kindly requesting you guys to stay till the end of this video and see the surprise that we have for you. You ready? We are already coming to Mario's car. We put in the bats and the cricket balls as well. I also carried my laptop because I want to edit my vlog on the way, because that is kind of pending for me. But not forgetting today's sponsor, that is Super You. Guys, I can't tell you how happy I am currently that to get Super You as one of our sponsors for this vlog. It's a dream come true for me and for everyone else, because I couldn't have done this without Joshua Fernandez. I'm gonna put his Instagram bio, go do check out his page, and also social sprint that he conducts every Sunday. And now we're going to the unboxing, and then we have the strawberry creme and the chocolate flavor. Mario's kind of hungry, so he's going to be the first person to check this out.
So I have a game today, but I haven't had my lunch. So I was hungry, so I told Vaughn that I want to have the Super U. So I'll try this, and I hope it does give me a good, and I'll give you a good review. Today I want my match to be really good, and you might see the after results. If it's really good, then I'll be whacking the balls.
It's going to take a taste test.
It's slightly melted, but it looks very tempting to eat. So it's nice. I'm getting a nice smell. So I feel it's very tempting and all to eat. So I'm going to try it now. Hold on. One year later. Oh.
A few moments later.
It's not like the other proteins. It's like more like a waffle. Not waffle, sorry, wafer. Yeah, it's more like it's a wafer, and it's really more comfortable to eat, I feel, than the other protein, and it's very easy to eat. Even other protein bars are good, but I would go for this any day. It's easier to digest also, I think, so you can finish the whole protein bar like quicker, I would say, compared to other protein bars.
You can see it's light on the stomach also.
So I can't wait to have it, and yeah, I think Vaughn and myself are going to have it like before the game, so that we get some type of energy. Yeah.
These were the boxes which we got from inside. That this was the strawberry one, and we also had the chocolate one as well. So after seeing what Mario opened, it was looking delicious. But apparently me and Alistair are saving it before the game so that we can get that extra kick or protein before we start into any activity. Alistair is going in for that munch. So he's having the strawberry creme. So let's see what's his.
So I'm tasting the Super U strawberry creme, and taste. This is for the taste test. It's good. The wafer and all perfectly. It's melted.
We have finally reached the ground, and I'm going to be opening the Super U box only when the entire team gets here so that everyone can try, have a snack, quick snack before we head to play the game. We got both the flavors out. The entire team is here. And let's do this.
Bro, very good.
Arey boy. Let's do this.
Portugal and France. Hey, France? Or England? England.
Arey, arey, wow.
Bro, welcome. अरे फोर रे ब्रो अरे ब्रो
Amazing cricket session. It is just that I think I over-exhausted myself today because we had an intense gym session. Then we came to South Goa, had to do the edits, then come direct to the game for 3 hours. That was like 9 to 12, and now we are here in Panjim at Bobby's. Only two of us lasted, Alistair and Mario. The rest of the boys are from South. It's kind of unfair. We North boys versus South. Just gonna grab some eggs, I feel, right now.